Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on search on your slicers in Power BI. I don't know if you've come across some reports where you find that there is a searchable kind of like a box where you can go in and say, okay, I'm interested in products that have tubes in their names, and this will immediately narrow down your selection to almost like a filter kind of, right? So this can be really useful when you have done a slicer for a long list of items, of categories, and you want it to be easier for your user to navigate to what it is they want to narrow down to. And so how you do this is very straightforward. It's your normal slicer which you've been doing if you follow the classes, the videos before now. So the only difference is the normal slicer, you look at the upper right side, you see these three dots which stands for more options. You click on it and you will see this search. So this is the search you enable. Once you click on it, it enables it, and instantly you will get this behavior in your slicer. And if you change your mind, you don't want this anymore, all you do again is to go back there and you click on the same thing. This time around it disables it. So it's kind of like a toggle. You turn it on, you turn it off, the same button, you click on the same place you click. So I'm going to just leave it on back on and demonstrate once again so once you come to and demonstrate again the usefulness of it. I can say I'm interested in anyone whose name starts with TT, and it's going to narrow down to that. So thank you, and see you in the next lectures.